day, Vincent here. Today we'll be talking about break of structure. So what is break of structure? Break of structure happens when price takes out a high or a low. Break of structure happens only when price takes out a high or a low. Then we have four types of break of structure. We have body to body break of structure. This is when body close above a body. And when this happens, this signals continuation in price. This signals price continuation. Then you have body to wick. This is when the body close above a wick. This signals continuation. See the same thing with body to body. Then you have wick to body. This is when wick takes out a body, close above a body. This signals retracement. This signals retracement in price. When wick close above a body, it signals retracement. Then you have week to week break of structure. Week to week break of structure is when wick takes out a wick. This signals reversal. This signals reversal in price. So let's go to chart and see some chart examples of this type of break of structures. So let's use 2 hour time frame for this. So as you can see here, week to week is currently reversing. Let's go to lower time frame so it will be clearer. Let's say 30 minutes. You have week to week. We have week to week right here. Week to week. What do you say week to week is? Reversal. And right here we had body to week. Right here we have body to week. So before anything is confirmed, maybe after a week is taken out or after a high is taken out, before we confirm the movement, whether it's a reversal, we need to see a candle engulf. So right here now we have wick on that wick, but it did not engulf. Then we have body, which now signal the continuation upward. So if you don't know what a candle engulfing is, check out my video on candlesticks. So here, look at it. We have here body to wick. After what happened? Continuation. Below it, you have week to week. After week to week happened, what happened? It reversed the down movement. It was coming down. I want to draw a path. It was coming down. As it was coming down, if it had closed with a body here, it will continue going down. But no, it wicked out and engulfed. This is engulfing candlestick. Engulfed above it, which now went up. Continue the trend up. So here we have a wick. We have another wick right here. The year engulfed below, no. But we have a wick now. We now use this wick. This is a wick. This is a candle. Wick, body to wick. The body closed above it, which is still continuation. Here we have wick to wick. Reversed. It reversed the trend. So the trend have been This have been coming down. Price have been coming down, and it got here. We got a week to week, and it started going up. So understanding this will help you to predict the direction of the market. When you have the close, when candlestick takes a high or a low, either with a wick, what confirms it is the next candle. If it engulfs, then it will continue to that direction. Just in this case now, we have a wick here, we have a wick here, it engulfed, went up. That was how it reversed this trend upward. So that is that on break of structure. So I don't know if you should look on more examples, but that should be that. So thank you very much. See you next time. We'll go deeper on next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. After watching, go check it out on your charts and see some chart example for yourself. Thank you very much. Signing out.